I am a teacher and this is my profession. The early hours of commuting, the long and painstaking preparation just to uphold the highest possible standard of quality education. Attending many seminars and further schooling to be internationally competitive and competent. I do not ask for any material things. I just want to give and see these young ones their best future, but it comes with a price.
Buti naisipin mo ako.
Sorry, love. I had a meeting with our principal and our supervisor. We discussed about my promotion.
That stupid job again? Ano nga kapala mo when you get that doctorate?
What? We're talking about this again? Akala ko ba nag-usapan natin to?
You don't have time for me anymore. You don't even have time for yourself. Dinadala mo pa dito yung trabaho mo sa bahay? For God's sake, Yana, I am an engineer. Do you think this job can feed you?
No.
No.
What? I can't. I love my job and I'm doing this for my students.
What about you? What about us? Choose. Is it me or that job of yours?
Fortunately, he's fine now. Nagkaroon nga ng confidence class, but it's okay. He's unconscious because of stress.
Thank God. Okay, thank you, Doc.
Mind if I ask you, ma'am, are you Miss Dale?
Yes, it's my maiden name. I've been already married 10 years ago, but I made it quite familiar.
I was in your advisory class way back 2018.
Really? You're Jamaican, right? Wow, you're a doctor now. Congratulations. How time flies na naman, di ba?
Yes, po. I hope you won't be retiring soon, because you're the one who gave me inspiration and motivation.
No, you baby knows. Thank you for your hard work, Jamaica.
No, ma'am. Thank you for your hard work. I should go now. You will wake up anytime soon.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. How are you? Still blooming.
I'm fine, thank you. You both look familiar.
Yes, we are the parents of Yasha, and we are also your student back in 2008.
Oh my God! I'm enjoying. Look at the both of you now. You're both successful.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks to you, kung hindi dahil sa mga turo mo, we would have been this far.
I hope you continue to inspire young students just like what you did to us. Thanks to your quality education, we are now living the life we once used to do.
It's because you're hard work.
Thank you for your hard work. Now we are relieved and delighted to know that our daughter will be taught by you.
Oh, no worries. It's my job.
Thank you, ma'am. You should be going now. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Right.
Bye, class. Oh, what are you doing here? Why is the ball still up? I'm sorry, love. I hope you will understand that this is not only my job, but my calling. I want to be the one who guides all of my students to curve their paths, and that is enough for me.
The notice we should have, ma'am?
Yes, the noblest profession.